We know how much you care about your business, but do you know how much we care about your business? It's the Lombardy way. To us in Lombardy, taking care of your business means working hard with passion and expertise to help you achieve your goals. We will share our comprehensive knowledge, culture, and creativity to give your innovations a boost. You will gain access to our extensive network of companies, infrastructures, services, and researchers to help grow your business. You will tap into the open, dynamic, international heart of Europe and EMEA markets. All this plus our unique Italian touch. This is the Lombardy way, your Lombardy way.